Guys, this is so funny. I was watching TV with Ethan and I was giving him a massage and he fell asleep in that position. How funny is that? And he is knocked out. Look at this. He is out, guys. Yeah, you were in it. But that's just so funny. He loves his massages, hey. Anyways, what is up, guys? Welcome to another vlog. Before I start today's vlog, I just want to put the last few videos into context. The thing is... Okay, so today is the 28th of November, which makes it Saturday. This means we have 1 day, 2 days, pretty much 2 days until we have to drop the car off for it to be picked up so that it can be transported back to Melbourne. And then 2 days after that is the day we catch our plane back to Melbourne. So that's why yesterday I packed up my fish tank, because it gives me about a day or two for the substrate to dry. So today we are going to just calculate how much stuff we have and see if it all fits in the car, because we have a lot of stuff, people, a lot. And when I say we have a lot of stuff, this is what I mean. And that is basically most of what we have to bring back. This whole mountain of stuff, not including the pots, pans, trays, cutlery, plates, bowls. There's just so much stuff. There's like bed lining and stuff like that, pillowcases, doonas. Oh man, there's just so much stuff. But this is a good way to just put it into perspective so that we can calculate if it will fit in the car. Because that's a lot of stuff, guys. You see, the clothes aren't a problem because they are going into suitcases and they're flying back with us. Also, my bike is also flying back with us, and so is Ethan's car seat in the car. So that saves a bit of space, but it's all this weird, clunky, awkward stuff that I'm a bit worried about. Okay, babe, so do you want to just get all of our clothes, put it into the suitcases just to calculate if it'll all fit and see how much space we have left over in the suitcases? Alright, so that's all our clothes in the suitcases. Look who just woke up. Hey, you got Eka? Eka. Boing! Hot, say hot. Alright, so this skateboard is going to be going with my bike in the bike bag. I'm going to take the trucks off and just put it into the bag nice and easy. That's no issue. We don't have to worry about the child seat either because that's being checked in on the flight. So that saves quite a lot of room in the car. So this is basically our blank canvas to fill up with. Anyways, Ivy's here now. She's got the child seat and the drone. We have quite a lot of room, hey?
But then it can't go past the window, yeah?
Yeah, not past the windows. Do a hillside 180, babe. Do a toe side.
What's that?
Toe side shove it.
No, one time...
Do an ollie.
One time I was on the skateboard and then it went tush. Fuck it. That's why I don't like skateboards, they're dangerous. I'm a pro. I'm a pro. I'm a pro. It's so wobbly. How do you like... Look.
Okay, so I reckon we're going to be able to fit everything in the car. There's a whole bunch of room here at the front, and there's a whole bunch of room there on the other side. There's just a bunch of room here. So I reckon we are all good. I have a rough idea of what will fit now, but I think we're going to fit everything.
Thumbs up.
But anyways, let's carry this all back up, babe. Because David is coming to pick up the fish tank.